what's going on, guys? Coming back to you with another puzzle. I chose this one because actually you guys chose this one. This is a series of 10 puzzles total. I asked you which ones you wanted me to do next, and this is the one you chose. So, not gonna say a whole lot on this intro other than the very first one of these videos I did. I was doing that one on the time lapse at one picture per second. And I ended up with like 300,000 photos. The puzzle took way longer than I expected. So this time I'm doing it at one picture every 5 seconds. So you might see a little bit more of a break in between the time lapse. It might be noticeable, might not. But if you're new to my channel, I've got a couple other videos like this. My channel has got a lot of different things overall. Check out some of the links above. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, comment below if you like this. Let me know which one you think I should do next. On the end screen of this video, it'll show you which ones are left, and you tell me which one to do next. But other than that, let's just jump straight into it. Here we go. This is the puzzle we'll be doing this time. All right. And again, this is another one with a whole lot of white background. The last one I did was also with a lot of white background, or one of the last ones I did, and it was really difficult. So I learned a lot from doing that one. We'll see how fast I can knock this one out. All right. Oh, and this is again, if you're coming here for the first time, I'm a photographer as well, and this is one of the photos I actually took, a couple years old. But I thought it'd be a neat way to incorporate some of my photography into something I like to do, which is puzzles. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just kind of rambling now. So let me get into it. Here we go, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm taking the first break. So far I've completed basically kind of like I did on one of the previous ones. I completed all this area that's color. The rest of this is going to be what it takes forever. So I got a jump start by separating all the pieces out. You probably can see it on the overhead camera, but I got a bunch of different trays. I separated each different style of piece and put them in rows, and it should help me to complete that a little easier. But after I do this break, the next thing I'm going to work on is I'm going to try to piece together the border, which are all these pieces here, and do the border of it. But so far, this is what it looks like. I'll show you from above, and I'm about to get back to it for a little while. I think it's actually, I might not get back to it for a little while, maybe just a short while, because it's almost 1 a.m. So it took me about, I'm not even certain, maybe like an hour and a half to 2 hours to complete that part of it. And I'm gonna try to get the border finished before I call it a night. So, all right, here we go.
I'm blinded by your light when you're close to me. I'm blinded by your light when you're close to me, 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 close to me. Close to me, I'm blinded by your light when you're close to me, 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 close to me.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed watching me do this puzzle. I'm about to put in the last couple of pieces right now. Just like in the last ones, there's going to be a screen at the end of this video, so you can choose which puzzle I do next. And I'm going to continue releasing other videos in between the puzzle videos as well, so keep checking those out too. So let's see, let me get these last couple in. You know, just as an added something fun for me to do, and getting to know you guys a little better, tell me in the comments too where you're from, so I can kind of get an idea where some of my audience is from. Obviously, I have a lot of that available to me in some of the analytics and stuff, but it still doesn't give me a full picture of who is really watching my videos, so it'll be kind of interesting to find out. All right, here we go. Here's the last one. Gonna snap this one in. Bam. All right, I'm done with this one. So you can get a better view of it from the top here. That is the completed puzzle. Looks like it's a little washed out over her face from the lights. There we go. Yeah, so I'm not going to say a whole lot more really. I'm trying not to talk too much in these videos because I realized in the very first one I did that I talked quite a bit. If there's other videos other than the puzzles that you guys want to see, tell me in the comments, and yeah, that's it really. I'm going to get on to the next video. Later.